BYOD is a concept that is continuing to find its way in the workplace and in schools. Not everyone agrees that the policy is overall beneficial through. Today I'm going to inform all of you watching of the many pros and cons of BYOD. Advantage number 1. Byod allows schools to spend less money on technology by focusing their spending on providing for students that actually need help obtaining technology rather than all students. Advantage number 2. Byod also allow more opportunities for personalized learning where students can excel and learn at their own pace. Using their own devices allows learning in a comfortable method. Here we see students learning in class with their own devices. The devices are all different and cater to the individual student because it's their own. Advantage number 3. Students are more likely to continue learning outside of school. They have their devices with them more than their textbooks. Therefore, if their schoolwork is on their devices, there's a greater chance they'll look at it since it's available. Now for the disadvantages. We'll start with disadvantage number 1. One of the unfortunate effects of bringing your own device is the possibility that some students cannot afford the technology. Some students may not be able to afford the latest technology and some may not be able to afford the technology at all. That can be an embarrassment for those students. Disadvantage number 2.
Someone stole my phone.
A consequence of bringing your own device is the possibility of thefts. This leaves the school liable for any stolen or lost devices. This creates upset students and parents. Disadvantage number 3.
My computer has a virus on it.
BYOD leaves the risk of students bringing a virus to the school's wireless network. This could also put viruses on other students' devices.
This is a nightmare.
This virus is attacking the school's network.
The possibility of privacy breaches and parasite wireless can make it difficult for the IT department to ensure the students' devices in the school's network is secure. Now that I've informed you of the advantages and disadvantages of bringing your own device, I hope you inform your opinion on the policy. Thanks for watching this TV special.
The purpose of this video was to inform the watchers what bring your own technology is and a few of the advantages and disadvantages of BYOD in the classroom. The advantages of BYOD are that schools save money, it promotes personalized learning and students are more likely to do school work outside of class. The disadvantages of BYOD are though everyone can afford the technology, the possibility of thefts, and it can cause problems with the school network. Overall, I intended for this video to be informative as well as entertaining.